Morning guys, and welcome back to our channel. So we've had a slightly longer bit of downtime than we would normally, but only because of the fact that we've not had a cameraman. We've now got a new cameraman and he stood behind the camera. So we are now stood here on this cold or crisp March morning, and today we're working on this 2018 Fiat Ducato motorhome. It's in for reversing camera, it's in for an Alpine Halo system, and it's in for what we call our usual three-stage audio upgrade, and that's sound deadening in the doors, Eton Component speakers in the doors and tweeters, an Alpine inline amplifier, and an under drinks holder subwoofer. So join me back shortly and we will run through everything that we've done. Right, so we have finished all of our installations on this today. I'm not sure if I mentioned earlier, but this is a 2018 Swift Select. Now there are multiple different models and names and variants, but this is what we call a slide door conversion. So it's not a coach-built motorhome, it's a sliding door like so. This customer is relatively local to us, and we have removed the high-level brake light from the back and now installed a reversing camera, but also to work in conjunction with that, we've also fitted the Alpine Halo system. Right, so we are stood at the back of the van. Obviously, this particular vehicle and all of these sliding door vehicles come from factory with the high-level brake light. We removed the high-level brake light and fit one of a few different models of the reversing camera. This particular one is the model with the night vision LEDs built in, and also the camera's on a slight gimbal, so you can adjust it out for the picture to look down at the bumper, or you can look further out. So if you were towing something, you could keep an eye on that as well. The brake light is still built into the camera, and this particular model is then bolted in using the original factory holes. And then young Owen has routed the cable down, along, out of the bottom, and then all the way along to the front, which we will then join up to the new Alpine system. So if you join me at the front, we'll show you what we've been doing. Okay, so this particular vehicle, as I said earlier, has had our very popular three-stage audio system. That consists of replacing the factory-fitted door speakers that are underwhelming. They're not particularly great, they're cheap, they're made to a budget, and we fit our German Eton speakers. These are hand-assembled speakers. They're not just speakers in the doors, they're component speakers. The component speaker means that you've got your mid-bass here, and up on the A-pillar, either side adjacent to the windscreen, is where the tweeter is located. It's hidden behind the A-pillar so you don't see it, but the two working together and it transforms the audio. But as part of that package, the boys will also remove all of this door assembly, plastics, door card, housing here, and will apply stage 1 sound deadening. The stage 1 sound deadening is a forced option, and it basically means that the speakers will allow themselves to breathe and also reduce any rattles and vibrations that would be normally picked up from these doors. Now, motorhomes are renowned for being noisy, but that's just the way it is. There's plastic fantastic everywhere, and with the stage 1 sound deadening, you're allowing the speakers to be able to turn up and enjoy them, which is what you want to do. Also, as part of the three-stage sound audio upgrades that we do, we have fitted an inline Alpine amplifier and the under drinks holder subwoofer, which we will show you on the next shot. Right, for those of you that aren't familiar with the very, very popular Alpine subwoofer, this is it. As long as you've got the central drinks holder fitted, and even if you don't, even if you've got the glove box, we can strip all that out, fit this genuine Fiat drinks holder upgrade, and fit the subwoofer. This is an 8-inch subwoofer housed in a box specifically made for the Fiat Ducato, Citroen Relay, Peugeot partner, Peugeot expert. Do you know what? We've had such a long break, I've even forgotten all the stupid names, so that's my fault. But anyway, Most of the motorhomes that we see, to be honest, are on a Fiat chassis, but this is the most popular subwoofer. It also comes with a little volume control knob, which you'll see in the picture above now. And then also we have fitted the Alpine Halo. So this particular ILX 905 is the 9-inch model. There is the 11-inch model as well. As I said earlier, there's no navigation. You can add the very new Alpine Navi stick add-on accessory to this. It's fitted so that you've got a little bit of flexibility on the screen, so you can have it vertical. It won't really suffer from sun glare, but it's really nice that you can have this adjusted as well. The USBs that come with it are in the glove box. There's also one retained lower down. We've fitted the reversing camera. Reversing camera now comes on. You don't even need to put the vehicle into reverse gear. You can just select the camera button like so and it'll come on. So if you are on the dual carriageway or you've got someone playing silly buggers behind, you can have a quick look to see what's going on. Now the guidelines here as well, you can turn the guide on or off. So let's just go back into there, put the camera on, and you've just got a nice clear image of what's going on behind you. Now, because the Halo 9 and the 11, it has got a 720p HD panel, it makes the camera just display much nicer, which is absolutely perfect. Usual setup with these, microphone fitted up the top, GPS on the dashboard, and you can plug in your wireless Apple CarPlay or connect your wireless Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto. Once you've then got your new Eton speakers working, your mini Alpine amplifier and your subwoofer all in conjunction with your new Alpine Halo, this is a fantastic bit of kit. You've got FM and DAB and all the mod cons, and I won't bore you to death because we've done loads of videos like this. It's just really just to say, guys, we're back. Sorry we've been away from the camera, social media and YouTube. We haven't gone anywhere. We've just been incredibly busy so far for 2024, and that's a good thing because we are really booked up. If you want to get booked in with us, then get in touch through the contact form. We are now booking into April, but that's a good thing. So get in touch with us and keep watching. Follow us on social media because we're going to have some more posts twice a week now, and we're going to try and get as many videos out as possible. This is a video for Motorhome Retrofits, and the website is www.motorhomeretrofits.co.uk, and thanks for watching.